Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. Um, New subscribers. I want to thank all the new subscribers for subscribing to the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel and for joining us here in the Jewelry by BDK community. So hopefully you hear something and see something that motivates you to create or to continue creating. So yesterday I was out and about and I was out and about jewelry supply shopping. Okay. So yesterday I went and did some shopping because of the Memorial Day weekend. The 25th was my birthday. So I did pretty good in the sense of receiving some little birthday gifts, right? So more people already know. You don't have to give me birthday cards. You don't have to give me cakes. You don't have to give me chocolate covered strawberries. You don't have to give me nothing. Just cash at me some cash, send some cash to my bank account. Whatever you do, just send me some cash so I can go jewelry supply shopping. Okay. So they already know. While I was out yesterday buying some supplies, I bought some copper wire. And I talked about this in the other video that the copper wire was one of the supplies that I picked up yesterday. So this is a pair of the earrings that I made from that copper wire and those the ear wires. And I think it was last year I was making earrings with color wire. I have no idea why I stopped doing that. I had those earrings on fair and they all sold and I just never restocked. I have no idea why. I don't know. But anyway, this is one pair. I really like these. And these are something that I would absolutely positively wear. So that's one pair. And I did do three pair. I didn't do them on video because I wasn't really sure what they would come out looking like. So I did sit here and come up with some goodies. Okay. So this is the second pair. Kind of sort of like the first pair, but a little smaller. And I really like these. And these are like something that I would wear. It's like my light is making it bright. I don't know if it's a device or if it's my light that's doing that. But this is the second pair. And this is the third pair. So I made three pair. So this is the third pair. I really, really, really like these. I like the shape of these. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I did this. Right. So I sat here and I did what I did. I can't tell you what I did. I'm gonna just have to try to redo it. And I am going to redo these the best that I can with some gold wire. I also have, oh my goodness, what do I have? I got black wire too. I have no idea where the black wire is, but I have some black wire too. So I'm gonna try this in the black wire and the gold wire because I really do like the way these look. And what I can do, because Juneteenth for next month, I could use the black wire, the black ear wires, and then the beads. I can do the beads in red, black, and green, and then put them in this shape. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. But this is the third pair. I really like the way they all turned out. And I do have some more wire. This is all I have left. So I'm going to get as many pair of earrings as I can get out of this wire. And then we'll be moving on from there. I'm still getting ready to work on a couple of necklaces so I can get those ready for, is it June? Yeah, next month, and also for August. Okay, but this is what I came out with. I like the way they came out. These are really nice though, right? You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.